What's up, everybody? Today we are making keto coffee popsicles, because if you're anything like me, you love your hot cup of coffee on a cold winter morning, but that same cup of coffee doesn't really have the same appeal as it does on a hot summer day. So with these, you still get in your coffee, you get in some healthy fats in the form of coconut milk, and you get to enjoy it in the form of a refreshing cold popsicle. So this one's pretty easy. You're just gonna take 1 can of full fat coconut milk and you're going to empty it into a bowl or pitcher that you can easily mix in. Then you're gonna add instant espresso powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on how strong you want your popsicles to be. Then you're gonna whisk it together until it completely dissolves and makes a nice uniform color and texture. After that, you're gonna take about 2 scoops of the Primal Kitchen Collagen Peptides. You can do more if you want. And you're gonna slowly sprinkle it in, whisking it as you go so that it mixes together smoothly. Next, you're gonna add liquid stevia, about 10 drops, but you can go less, you can go more. And then you're gonna whisk it again to combine that. Next, you're gonna take your mixture and you're gonna add it to popsicle molds. I got these ones off Amazon. They're the Zoku Mod Pops. They ended up working pretty good, but you can find popsicle molds at most stores. And then that's it. You're gonna put the popsicle molds in the freezer. You're gonna freeze for at least 3 hours, but just to be safe, I would just freeze it overnight. And then yeah, the next morning, wake up and you got perfectly frozen keto coffee popsicles. Great on a hot sunny day when you need a pick-me-up, but these are fantastic. I'll definitely be making them for myself this summer. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody.